Hi. Given the pandemic, the lockdowns, the sluggish business climate, if you'd ask me how did the year go by, I'd say 2020 has been a pretty rocking year for me. It really has. Here's what I've accomplished in the year 2020. First of all, my personal fitness goal. I've always wanted to be able to do a pull-up. That's something I've just not been able to do. What kind of man does it make me that I can't even pull my own weight? At the beginning of the year, I couldn't do a single one. But now, towards the end of 2020, on a good day, I can comfortably bang out 7 pull-ups. And I feel so pumped after being able to do that. I feel so pumped just being able to say that. Second, the skills that I've learned. This year, in the year 2020, I've learned how to edit and shoot videos. And having learned that, it's like I've learned a whole new language. There's a whole new world out there that I can now express myself in, because of which I've been able to launch my own series of videos at our YouTube channel at Calm Achiever. Now, I've always been comfortable standing up and speaking in front of crowds, but to stand behind a camera and to speak to a camera and then have that video put up in a public forum like YouTube, where it'd be judged and critiqued, that would scare me. Gives me the shivers. I'm still scared. But one video after another, I've kept on getting more confidence, and now 12 videos down, I've really pushed myself out of my comfort zone to be able to do this, because of which now I've got hundreds of views, a whole lot of likes and comments. I now feel I'm just getting started with this new platform. Business-wise, how are we doing business-wise at Calm Achiever? Well, our in-person workshops have been down since March, but now we've launched our virtual workshops, and because of our virtual workshops, we are reaching people that we would have never have reached before. We're already doing virtual workshops monthly, all of which are going absolutely great. Coaching, we offer one-to-one coaching on the GTD methodology. We've not had much coaching clients since last year, but this year our coaching numbers have gone up so high that at one point during the year we had to say no. Our calendars were so full that we couldn't take on any more coaching clients. I enjoy writing, and I've been always wanting to stay connected with our contacts and with our network. This year I finally made a system where I've been sending out my newsletters regularly, fortnightly, which has been great. Now I'm writing regularly, which itself feels great. I'm also staying in touch, which is doubly awesome. However, if you'd asked me in the beginning of the year that I have so many things checked off, I'd say you're joking. Give me a break. That's certainly not going to happen. But it has, and it has because I've had a secret weapon. I've not been alone. I've had a coach. Not just any coach, but an accountability coach. My accountability coach has helped me lay out my vision for the year ahead. And once he helped me lay out the vision, he's broken them down into doable milestones. He's taken it a step further and broken it down into smaller tasks that I would achieve week after week. And then every week I would have a check-in call with the accountability coach, and I would check in with him how I've done for the past week, what's not been working, what's been working well, and what my plan is for the week ahead given my milestones. And now when I look back at the end of the year, it feels like I sort of scripted my year, that this is how I want my year to go, and I've pretty much achieved a whole lot of that. In fact, this has been so good that me and Ali said, look, we've got to offer this to our clients. We at Calm Achiever are now offering our own version of an accountability coaching service. And if this is something that interests you, please go ahead, look at the description below, and you'll find details on how you can sign up for this accountability coaching service now offered by Calm Achiever. I don't want to give you the impression that things are always hunky-dory and everything rocks all the time. That's far from the truth. And I've had bad days and I've had bad weeks during the year. And it's precisely during these bad days and bad weeks that it's been so valuable to have an accountability coach. A coach who holds me to a higher standard of myself. A coach who holds me accountable so that I complete the things that I said I would do. So if you want to make your next year your best year yet, go ahead. Check out the description of our coaching service. Till our next video, take care. Goodbye.